What's good, fam? This video is for all my people who aren't diamond. I didn't make it to diamond the last period just because I was doing stuff with my family and I was doing other stuff, and I would only really come out for like good orders. First things first, what I've noticed when you're not diamond, obviously clearly you don't get priority on batches, on like the good paying batches. Not to say you can't get them, because I've gotten 60s, I've gotten 70s, and I got an 86 the other day. The thing is, you're not gonna get those orders when there's other diamond cart shoppers like at the store you're at. So that's not to say you can't make any money. I hit $200 as like platinum. I was hitting 200 to 220 like daily, but I'd be working all day. If I was diamond and I was working the hours that I had been working, I would have been at 300 plus. So right now I'm like 62 customers away from diamond cart. So I wanted to film this video before I hit diamond, you know, just cause. It's 8 a.m. right now. I didn't wake up, well, I woke up early, but I went to the gym and then I cooked breakfast. So, you know, I wasn't out here early, but it doesn't really matter because they're not gonna show us bangers anyway. What I've been doing is prioritizing triples that are low miles, a decent amount of items. I'm not really being too picky on the items. I'm gonna catch you guys when we get our first order. Like I said, it's 8 a.m. right now. I guess we'll wait and see how long it takes me to get one. This is what I'm talking about. I know I can't show my app or whatever, but I'm gonna show it. 80 bananas. I just got a 23, 4 miles, double. It's only 11 items, but it's 99 units because they got 80 bananas. I was contemplating just taking off the 80 banana order, but the order, so I'm just gonna do it. So we're gonna go pick out 80 bananas, try to bang this out as fast as I possibly can. Bananas for days. We got a whole box of bananas. They made it easy for us. She brought out like a box of bananas. She's like, there's about 100 in here. So I took out like 20. At least it's close by, because if this was far, I would have canceled it like 100%. It wasn't as much stuff as I thought it was gonna be. These 2 bags are with this, and that's just by itself. Pretty easy. Took me like 10 minutes. It's just because the employees in here are really nice and they make my life super easy. Hello. Thank you so much. Do you want it on the front desk over here? Okay, I can walk it over there for you if you want.
Mind. That's
Got
fine.
you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, so here we go. Here we go. Get out of my car.
So guys, it's Bella here, and we got an $18 batch, and it's going you don't talk like that though. It's going
It's an 18, 4 miles, 12 items, single. We're gonna go bang this out. Puts us like almost at 40 bucks, and it is $9.50. All right, so this order's probably gonna go down a little bit because there's like a couple refunds. Super easy order, just 2 bags, some watermelon. I should tell the truth, but girl, you know I don't want to. So I was tearing up some watermelon, and I got a 22 miles, 22 items. It puts us around $60. So I'm platinum, Bar is diamond. They didn't show him this one, but he hasn't done an order today. That just goes to show you, the more you take orders, the more orders they'll show you. But I just can't copy paste it. Almost perfect, but not adjacent. Time is racing, babe, and I don't want you to waste it. It is 2:21, and we're still at $58. Fun stuff. I went home to eat something real quick, so we're still at $58 for the day. Honestly, anything over 100 today is a win. We just got an order. It is 3 o'clock. It's a 52 triple, so that's good. That's really good. It's 59 items, 78 units. It's a big order. 17 miles. It's kind of far, but they're all near each other. But girl, you know I don't want to. Every time we have this conversation, hard to break. This is just the reality of just not being diamond. It's 7:31. Don't look at my app. Instacart, don't copyright me. I did miss a 28, 6 miles, 16 items. I want to go home, but I also want to wait this out because the other night it was like 8:30 or 9 p.m. and me and Var were the only 2 people here, I think, and I got an 86. At Platinum Cart, I got an 86. at like 8:30. I'm gonna wait here until 8 p.m. the latest because it's Tuesday and I want to get up early tomorrow. So we ended the day at 109. It's 8:43 right now. I'm still looking, of course, because you know, if we get that hundo, I don't care. It could be 10 p.m. and if I see a hundo, I don't care where I'm driving to, I'm doing it. This is the stuff that I don't usually post all the time because it's not like, oh my gosh, 300 a day or 400 a day. It's not crazy numbers. If you're not Diamond Cart, this is probably what your day is gonna look like. But that's not to say you can't make money not being diamond. I'll put screenshots up of days I've made 200 plus as a platinum cart. The days I've made 200, I was taking $6 orders, $7 orders, $10 orders. I was taking anything and I hit 200 plus. Instacart shows you batches based off of how long you're waiting. So if you wait less, you'll probably see more batches off of your tier. So the higher your tier, the better the batches are. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.